Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best air dusters, a must-have for keeping your electronics, keyboards, and workspaces dust-free. Whether you're looking for a powerful electric option or a compact, portable solution, we've got you covered. We'll break down the top models, their features, and why they stand out. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. EOUMJE Compressed Air Duster. If you're tired of constantly buying disposable canned air for cleaning, the EOUMJE Compressed Air Duster is a game changer. This powerful 150,000 RPM electric air blower is designed to tackle dust, debris, and pet hair effortlessly, making it a must-have for tech enthusiasts, home cleaners, and even outdoor grillers. Lightweight, yet powerful. Weighing just 8.1 ounces, this cordless air duster is ultralight and comfortable to hold. Despite its compact size, 1.5-inch WX 5.8H, it packs an impressive punch, blasting away dust from keyboards, PCs, and electronic devices with ease. Unlike traditional canned air, which loses pressure quickly, the EOUMJE maintains consistent airflow to ensure thorough cleaning every time. Versatile and multi-purpose. One standout feature is its interchangeable nozzle system, allowing you to swap nozzles for precise cleaning. Number 4. ATEngeus Air Duster. Say goodbye to wasteful canned air and hello to the ATEngeus Air Duster, a powerful electric air blower designed to keep your electronics, home, and workspace dust-free. With stepless speed adjustment, a strong 500W motor, and a 3-meter power cable, this device offers an efficient and eco-friendly solution for all your cleaning needs. Number 3. FRESMOL Compressed Air Duster. Ditch disposable air cans and upgrade to the FRESMOL Compressed Air Duster, a powerful, rechargeable, and eco-friendly alternative for all your cleaning needs. With a 100,000 RPM motor, adjustable airflow, built-in LED light, and multiple accessories, this cordless air blower is designed to tackle dust in every corner of your home, office, or car. Powerful and customizable cleaning. Featuring a 3-speed adjustable motor, the FRESMOL Air Duster provides 1.86 to 2.51 ounces of blowing power, allowing you to control the intensity based on your cleaning needs. Whether you're gently clearing delicate electronics or blasting dust from hard-to-reach areas, this device ensures efficiency without waste. Number 2. TRANSWARRIOR Compressed Air Duster. If you're looking for a next-level compressed air duster, the TRANSWARRIOR mini blower is the ultimate upgrade. With an insane 300,000 RPM turbofan, 300G wind pressure, and 120 meters per second peak wind speed, this device delivers unmatched cleaning power in a compact and pocket-sized form. Whether you need to clean your keyboard, PC, car, or even light a fire, this high-speed blower is built for the job. Supercharged turbofan for deep cleaning. This is not your average air duster. The 300,000 RPM motor generates an intense airflow capable of blasting dust and debris out of the tightest spaces. Whether you're cleaning electronics, car interiors, or household surfaces, the force is strong enough to make even fabric ripple under the pressure. Revolutionary pulley mode and 3-speed control. Unlike standard dusters with fixed speeds, the TRANSWARRIOR introduces a unique pulley mode, allowing for smoother, more precise control over wind power. Combined with the 3-speed settings, you can adjust the airflow to suit delicate electronics or go full power for heavy-duty cleaning. Compact, lightweight, and ultra-portable. Weighing just 0.47 kilograms and measuring 1.35 inches by 5.9 inches, this mini blower is small enough to fit in your pocket. Number 1. ATEngeus TAD03 Electric Air Duster. Tired of constantly buying disposable compressed air cans? The ATEngeus TAD03 Electric Air Duster is the perfect reusable solution, offering powerful airflow, cordless convenience, and long-lasting performance. With a 33,000 RPM motor, 2 smart start modes, and fast rechargeability, this device makes cleaning electronics, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas effortless and eco-friendly. Strong blowing power for deep cleaning. Equipped with a 33,000 RPM high-speed motor, the ATEngeus Air Duster delivers super strong airflow, 0.98 to 1.16 ounces, making it easy to blast away dust from computers, keyboards, and PC cases, camera lenses, and sensitive electronics.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.